What's going on, guys? TMT Racing here. Well, as you can see, we have a leak. So I'm over here and we're gonna try to patch it. Check it out. Alright, well, we found one of many holes, so I'm gonna take you in the water and show you how it's done. Alright guys, well, we're all done. Total of 19 patches we had to do. Yeah, 19. So they all range from big holes to small holes to pinholes. A couple of them were just old patches that failed, but either way, we got them all patched up. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.